How to check EDV result 2025. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you live in an electronic diversity visa, that is EDV, eligible country and filled out the form for the EDV lottery for the year of 2025? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to check the results of EDV 2025. Open Chrome on your device, tap on the search box, search for EDV result 2025. Tap on the first URL with the title Electronic Diversity Visa from dvprogram.state.gov. This is the official site for checking the DV lottery result. I have provided the direct link to this website in the description below. You will land on this page, scroll down a bit. As you can see, here is written, click the link to check DV 2025 and DV 2024 entrant status. Simply tap on check status, then tap on continue. You will be redirected to the official page where you can check your DV 2025 result. Enter the 16-digit confirmation number you received while filling the application form for EDV 2025. Then enter your last family name in uppercase including punctuation at the end as shown in the screen. Make sure it is the same last name used while filling the application form for EDV 2025. After that, enter your birth year in AD format following the English standard date. Make sure it is the same birth year in AD used while filling the application form for EDV 2025. After that, type in the characters shown in the image for authentication. Once you have filled out the form with necessary and authentic credentials, tap on submit. Now review the result. If you see the message entry has not been selected, unfortunately you have not been selected for the EDV 2025. If you are selected, congratulations. You will see further details about the processing for the Electronic Diversity Visa 2025. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to check your EDV result for the year 2025. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.